Keid's cooking class, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, I did change the location of the Keid's cooking class spawn-in area only because when I put it over here, it's kind of bad for the quality. And this is gonna be the new location for Keid's cooking class spawn-in area. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Please tell me y'all heard that. Anyways, that's good. What? I'm on. Anyways, Keid's cooking class is basically a series where I cook and learn how to cook with you guys. I need to think of an intro so I can actually do this. Today we're going to be making, hold on, quality kind of bad again. Today we're going to be making cake Oreo, and we're going to also be making an Oreo smoothie. But let's just get our ingredients together. Did I save the recipe? Okay, I did. For this video, I'm gonna have to figure out how to use a oven for this.
Today we're making Oreo cake, and it's so easy to make. It only takes 3 ingredients. Yeah, that's amazing.
All right, let's get our Oreos. Oh, okay, right here. See, I don't actually have chocolate Oreos because I don't really like chocolate that much. So I got some artificially flavored sandwich cream cookies. Lemon flavor. Way better than chocolate anyway.
We want to mix together 28 crushed up Oreos, 1 teaspoon of...
We need 28, that's crazy. Let's get a big bowl. All right, we got our big bowl. I also need scissors. Make it. Okay, these aren't cutting very well. Okay, never mind. Wait, no, they still aren't cutting very well. All right, I think it said we needed 28. Crazy. 14 is good enough. We're gonna need these for later for the smoothie. Okay, now we gotta get a blender and blend it up. Let's go. Hey, we're in a new location. Now we gotta put the Oreos inside the blender, and I'm kind of scared to do that because I don't know what's gonna happen. Doesn't seem like it will break the thing. I'm scared it's gonna break. Let's try blending it up. If you're dealing with blending, you gotta be safe. They're actually crushed to smithereens. Ho 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 ho! Yeah, yep. Bam. Let's use the blender again. Holy moly. Y'all gotta see what I just saw. Created a whole vortex. This is science. You think this is enough to make the cake? Okay, then we add the freaking... Oh, it's stuck. Come on. Yes. Yes, yes. Come on. Get out. I got it all officially out. Now we have this huge thing, and now we need a teaspoon of bacon. Wait, bacon what?
Baking powder?
You guys don't know what I was just about to put in there. I was gonna put baking soda. Then we need 1 cup of milk. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be worse. What else does this dude say? And we gotta mix it around. I'm ready. All right, let's put it in. Okay. Yeah, let's move away my iPad. Hey, my SpongeBob shirt. Are you guys okay? Good. All right, now we need to get a pan and put it straight into the oven. Then we gotta figure out how to use an oven. Let's find a pan. Actually found a pan. But I don't think that's a pan we're supposed to be looking for. We need a pan that looks like a pan for the oven. So I found 2 pans, but I don't know which one I should use. So I'm gonna ask one of my friends for their opinion. Let's ask Zay. Yo, Zay. Yo, I need your opinion. So I'm recording right now. And so I'm making a Keid's cooking class, and I'm trying to wonder, which pan should I use to put in the oven? I never used the oven before. And like, which pan should I use?
That one that's right now.
This? Alright, thank you.
You welcome.
Alright, appreciate it.
What's up, y'all? What's up?
I ain't gonna lie, Zay, he is one of the bestest, coolest people I know, dude. Like, I'm glad I met him. I'm very glad I met him. Now we're gonna put this in here. Ooh, this is gonna be cake. This is gonna be cake. Look at this. It's kind of heavy. I'm about to drop it. You know what's crazy? As soon as I called Zay, the sun went up. I mean, let's go outside. Yo. This is beautiful. All right, let's go back inside. Hey, Zay, I love you, and I wish the best for you, and I hope you reach your goal, and we both reach our goal by this year of 1,000 subs. Let's find out how to work an oven. Snap, I gotta be careful. Put that right there. Okay. Smack in the middle. My transition was ruined because the phone fell, but you know what? We gonna do it anyway. Look at it, smack in the middle. Oh yeah. Let's put it facing this way because I need to get it. Yeah. Now let's figure out how to work an oven. We need to put it for 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So 350 degrees, let's go check that out. Bake, 350.
Temperature, let's do 375 and
Hit start, where's start? Is it on? Let's set a timer for 15 minutes until we stop. 15 minutes started. All right, smoothie time. Do you guys like my shirt? Like, I put it on exactly for you guys, the lower area. Don't worry about it. I got blue pants on with slides with no socks on, so. I'm low-key impatient. Only like 3 minutes have passed and it's 12 minutes late, and I want this cake to be done now. So the only reason I'm making the freaking smoothie is so I could distract my mind off it. The way I off it, I grabbed a block and pound the dot weight. Milk Oreo. Put like 3 Oreos, put ice and milk in the blender. Blend it up. Whipped cream, I don't got that. Crushed up Oreos at the top, get a straw. I know what we're making. Let's put 4 in here, right? We're gonna crush them up, put them in that blender. It's already done? The 15 minutes isn't even over. I haven't even did the milk thing yet. I decided to leave it in a little bit more until the timer finished, cause I don't know. All right, let's get some ice. I gotta blend it up. It's about that time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling if I see you walking in my Balenciaga, I see you trying to bring out the fabulous. Get a cam right here. You see that? Now we need some crushed up Oreos in there. You know what? Screw the crushed up Oreos. I just want to try it. Shake it around a little. Ooh, look at that. You jealous. Let me get a cam on that. Ooh, you jealous. You jealous. Let's take the first sip. Oh, snap. Yo, I'm gonna get diabetes. Best thing I ever cooked on this channel. Come on, man. Come on, that movie was perfect. I ain't gonna lie, the freaking cake is looking perfect right now. I just gotta wait 2 more minutes until solidified. It's time to take it out the oven. But it looks good. All right, we need to be careful. I'm scared. It looks good, but I'm scared. All right. Upside down. Go, like that. I think that's good. I felt the heat through the thing. Yes, sir, there's the cake. There's the cake. Put this back in the oven. We're gonna take that out later. Thought it'd be bigger. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. the cake. Now, let's go eat. Here's how the cake look. Looks like a cake, feels like a cake. Yes, sir. Oh, don't worry about these, though. Don't worry about these. Let's get our trusty taste tester in here. Kaden! Come here. What you think about the cake?
That don't even look at the cake.
It is, but what you like? Okay.
That don't even look at the cake.
Let's try it. Here's the first slice. Okay. All right, let's try it.
I'm a test dummy. I'm always a test dummy.
No, come here. You like it?
Yeah. It's so good, I'm dying. I need more.
Tastes okay.
It's so good, I'm dying. Blech.
Yo,
It's so
it's
good.
alright.
It's good.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I took a bite more on the inner piece, and it actually is very good. I thought Kaden was lying. It was good. This is actually good, bro. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you like, drop a like, and if you're new, subscribe. And remember, weird is good. And if you want to see me do another Keid's cooking class, you already know what to do. Leave down your favorite recipes in the comments, and I'll make them. See if I do it well. Give me some tips in the comments too, if you want to. But this is actually good. This is one of my biggest successes. See you guys next video.